Good morning to all. My name is Kiran BG. My project name is Smart Drilling Technologies, harnessing AI for the precision and safety in oil and gas field construction. Contents, introduction, objectives, history, working principle, parts and functions, advantages, limitations, applications, future consideration, reference. Introduction. Smart drilling technologies use AI for the process and gas field construction. AI applications in predictive modeling and real-time monitoring and automated decision making. Benefits: enhanced safety, improved efficiency, increased productivity and better decision making. That is improved accuracy, real-time monitoring, protective maintenance, optimized drilling parameter, automated decision making, enhanced safety, increased efficiency, reduced environmental impact, cost savings. And literature survey 1990s automation and mechanization, 2000s sensor technologies and data analysis, 2010 AI machine learning and IoT, 2050 automation drilling system, 2020 widespread adoptions. Principle: data acquisition, data analysis, predictive modeling, real-time monitoring, automated decision making, closed loop control, machine learning, human-machine interface. Principle: figure in the next parts. Sensor measure drilling parameters. IoT device transmit sensor data to the collector of the control center. AI software analysis data, predictive performance and in identifies potential risk. Machine learning continuously learn from data to improve protections. Control center receive data, display real time and alert operators. Automated control system adjust drilling parameters based on the drive and data storage historical data for the future analysis and the improvement. Data collection, sensor and IoT device collect real-time drilling data. Data analysis, AI software analysis data to identify trends and anomalies. Protective analysis, machine learning and protective drilling performance and potential risk. Real-time monitoring control center display real-time and alerts of operators. Automated decision making, driving enable automation decision making. Optimization AI the adjust drilling parameters or the optimal performance and safety. Reporting historical data is the stored for the future analysis and improvement. Just improved accuracy, increased safety, optimized performance, reduced cost, enhanced decision making, automated operations, real-time monitoring, protective maintenance. High hostage data issues, cyber risks, integrational challenges, limited standards, tech dependence, human factors, scalability, regulations. Monitoring, maintenance, optimization, automation, well placement, formation, evaluation, safety, environment analysis, and efficiency. Application figures. Smart drilling, advanced AI algorithms, lost sensor and edges compounding, autonomous drilling system, predictive maintenance, robotics and the automation, big data analysis, cloud-based platforms. Smart drilling technologies, oil and gas field construction with AI driving precision and safety, transforming in the industry's future. Drilling, a review of the recent advances and future trends. Artificial intelligence in drilling and the operations. commercial operations, IoT and AI in oil and gas, a survey, smart drilling technologies, improved efficiency and safety, machine learning in drilling operation, a case study, real-time data analysis for drilling, optimization of energy, cybersecurity in oil and gas, protecting smart drilling technologies, the future of drilling, automation system and AI.